Hi honeys, it's Michelle. In today's video, I'm going to show you some clothes that I bought at Boohoo. Now, I bought these clothes a good month ago now. I had to wait, it was about 2.5 weeks for them to show up, and then I've been waiting a little bit to film this, and because I've been waiting to film it, I haven't even tried anything on yet. The reason I chose Boohoo to buy the rest of my summer clothes this year was I like that I can get trendy clothes at a really affordable price that actually come in my size. But the question is, do they look good on me? Are they going to look on me like they do on the model? So that's what we're here to find out today. Because just like when we go to the store now, I can't try anything on before I buy it. I decided to wait until I was actually filming this video to try anything on. So I'll be finding out whether or not I like them as I try them on for you. And as long as I can actually put them on my body, I will show you what they look like, even if I don't like the way they look. What I wanted to get for clothes for this summer were clothes that I could wear at home as loungewear, but that I could also wear when I leave the house, but that were super cozy, so I could wear them either way. I don't know if it's just me, but when I wear a mask, I don't want to deal with clothes that aren't comfortable. It's like I'm already irritated because, you know, my face is so hot and that kind of thing. This first outfit is the plus size leopard print Flippy pantsuit in tan. It's 95% polyester and 5% elastane. And something I really like about this outfit is that you cannot dry clean it. It says do not under any circumstances dry clean this. So here's what this looks like on my body compared to the model. Now I actually have a short torso and I feel like there's no room here. And if I were to wear it to where it was comfortable down here, I'd have to pull it down here. It's already really coming apart a lot in the bust area. It's nice and loose on the legs though, so that's one thing I don't have to worry about. And this fabric, it's stretchy, but just a tiny bit. There are no pockets. It looks and feels like there would be, but there aren't. I don't know what I think of this one. Let me know what your opinion is. Would you keep this if you were me? Would you just... I'm thinking about maybe getting a Poshmark page and just selling stuff that I don't keep. I think that'd be easier than trying to return stuff. So let me know what you think. Okay, I have the second outfit on, and I'm really sorry about this background noise. It's so hot, you guys. It's like 108 degrees right now. I cannot have my AC off the whole time I'm recording. It's just too hot. I turned it off when I first started, and it's already 79 degrees in the apartment. It's just too hot. The second outfit is the plus size tie-dye swing playsuit in navy. And it's 95% polyester and 5% elastane. And it's nice because it's a little bit loose right here. It's got some elastic here. And it does not have pockets. It does not have adjustable straps either, just to let you know. This next outfit is the wrap short sleeve bodysuit in mustard. And the grid check button tailored short in black. My immediate observation is I really like the shorts. They feel a little bit short, but I could get past that, especially as I start getting into shape. I don't know what I think of this top though. Let me know what you think. I feel like the sleeves are real big, but then it's super tight here, and it's this is actually a bodysuit, but I can't get the snaps to even touch. Now, once again, I have a short torso. So if you have an average or long torso, there's no way this bodysuit's going to fit you if you're my size. So I don't know what I think about this either. Let me know. And then this has these little pockets here. They're faux though. They're not functional. This next outfit is the plus size tie-dye cycle short in the color Sky, and the plus size Def Leopard licensed t-shirt in gray. And everything that I've looked at, all the outfits so far are 95% polyester and 5% elastane. My friend Janine has been getting band tees a lot lately, and I just love them. They're so cute. She's been getting them from Trendsend, which I haven't tried before, but I saw this and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to try this shirt. Here's a close-up of the pants. Got like this light colored tie-dye on them. And I just thought this would be a cute outfit for around the house, or maybe going to a picnic or something. Maybe even another road trip outfit. The last outfit I have is the plus size tropical scoop neck maxi dress in floral. And I got this because I just felt like I needed to tap into my inner Mrs. Romper. This dress is very comfortable. I love it. I love the bright colors. I just feel kind of alive and awake in it. I feel beautiful in it. And the length, it goes all the way down to my feet. Like it's touching the top of my feet. So it's nice and long. If I were to wear it to the beach or something, I could probably, let's see if I show you here. Just tie it in a knot or something, you know, up here, and wear it running into the water on the beach or something. Oh, that'd be so nice. And then when I'm laying down on the beach, I could undo the knot, and that way my legs don't get burnt. As you probably noticed, I'm really pale and I get burnt so easily. I don't tan. I'm either pale or I burn, and that's all there is. But I just thought this was so fun, and I feel like this is something that could be worn at home. It could be worn to a barbecue. It could be worn on a road trip, at the beach, wherever. And then the last item I got, I wanted to let you know about. It's the Mini Heart Fashion Face Mask, and it's in a one size fits all. Get this open here. Ooh. I wanted to tell you about this because they have men's and women's face masks there, and they're very affordable too. So, and these aren't made out of cotton. They're it feels like a polyester. I thought that was super cute. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of this order and whether or not you think that the clothes fit true to the model. Is it just me, or does the model not really look like a plus size woman? She's probably a 10 or a 12, which in the modeling world is technically plus size, but she's probably not a 16, an 18, a 20, 22, 24, like so many of us are. So it's kind of hard when I look on these websites and I see a model that appears to have no cellulite. It's hard to figure out what's going to look good on all of this. Part of why I really like Boohoo is that they have Klarna, which all it is I don't even think they do a credit check, but they use you give them your debit card number and or a credit card, whatever. They take 1/4 of the total payment at checkout, and then a 1/4 every 2 weeks until it's paid off. So if you spend $100, the day that you bought your clothes, you pay $25, 2 weeks, $25, 2 weeks, $25, 2 weeks, $25, and then you're done. And so it's kind of nice because it gives you 2 months to pay off your clothing purchase instead of having to pay for it all at once. So I'm not even done paying for these clothes yet, which I kind of like. I like feeling like I have the ability. It's kind of like layaway at Christmas. You can kind of expand it out a little bit, make it a little more affordable. That is it for my Boohoo haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. I love you. Bye.